Okay, let's get started with an expressive self-portrait. And in this demonstration, I'm going to be using a selection of acrylic paints. Use vibrant colors, use a few unusual colors that you wouldn't normally put in a traditional type of portrait. Try and get the painter to select these colors because those are the colors available. And that'll stimulate a bit more freedom of expression and experimenting with the colors. Keeping it very simple, I'm going to use A3 drawing paper and just some large brushes, one little one just for a little few details at the end. But this is not going to be a conventional portrait. As you can see, it's a fun approach. The whole object is to see what expressive features the artist comes up with. You know, it's not the formal quality of the painting. This is flat poster type painting in bright and expressive colors. So something to enjoy. And this is really one of my favorite exercises. And it always is fun when I do it. And I'm sure that you will enjoy it as well.